Hello students, today we are going to discuss about graphical method of solving a system of simultaneous linear equations. It is very important to mark sum for board exams. If a pair of linear equations is given by a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0, then we can get a following situation by comparing the coefficient of x, y and constants. First case, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then the pair of linear equation is consistent. What is consistent? Consistent means it should have at least one solution. Then second case, a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Here the coefficient of x and y of the ratios are equal, but it is not equal to constants. The linear pair equations is inconsistent. What is meant by inconsistent? Inconsistent means there is no solution. Let me come for third case. a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Here the pair of linear equation is dependent and consistent. Let me see the diagrams for the pair of linear equations. First one, intersecting lines. Okay, here the two linear equations are intersect each other, we'll get unique solution and pair of equation is consistent. Second one, parallel lines. The two lines never intersect. The pair has no solution and pair of equation is inconsistent. Third one, coincident lines. The two lines lies on the same graph. Lines are coincident. Pair has indefinitely many solution and pair of equation is consistent. It is dependent one. Next we will see some examples by graphical method. First one, intersecting lines. 2x minus y is equals to minus 1. 3x plus 2y is equals to 9. Here what we have to do, first we need to assign a value for a variable. From that we need to determine the value for other variable from the given equation. First equation, 2x minus y is equals to minus 1. Minus y go to the right hand side becomes as plus y. Then 2x is equals to minus 1 plus y. Then minus 1 go to the left hand side, it becomes 2x plus 1 is equals to y. Let me assume some values for x. Here I am going to assume 0 and 2. If I substitute 0 for the x, then my y value is 0 by anything 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Then if I substitute 2, then 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So for the first equation, our order pairs are 0, 1 and 2, 5. Second equation, 3x plus 2y is equals to 9. First, I am moving 3x to right hand side. Then we will get 2y is equals to 9 minus 3x. Then the multiple of 2 go to left hand side becomes as divide. So y is equals to 9 minus 3x by 2. Now I am going to assume value for x. I am going to take 3n minus 1. If I assume 3, then 3 3s are 9n, 9 minus 9n, 0, 0 by anything, 0. Then if I substitute minus 1, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 plus 9n, 12, 12 by 2, 6. For the second equation, our order pairs are 3, 0, minus 1, 6. Let me plot the points in the graph. Here, first draw the x-axis as well as y-axis. Then plot the points. First, I am going to plot the points for the first equation. Our first point is 0, 1. Where it will come? It lies on y-axis. Then second point 2, 5. Just see in the x-axis 2, the y-axis 5. Then plot it, draw a straight line for the equation. Then come for the second equation and plot it. Our first point is 3, 0. 3, 0 lies on x-axis. Then second point minus 1, 6. Minus 1 should see in x-axis, plus 6 should see in y-axis. Then plot it. Then join the points. Now both the equations intersect at a point. The point is intersecting point. The intersecting point is 1, 3. Here the pair has inequal solution. Coincident lines. 3x minus 2y is equals to 5 and 6x is equals to 4y plus 10. Let me write the first equation. 3x minus 2y is equals to 5. Plus 5 go to the left hand side becomes as minus. Then minus 2y go to the right hand side becomes as plus. Then multiple of 2, if I move to left hand side becomes as divide. Therefore y is equals to 3x minus 5 by 2. Now I am going to assume some value for x. I am going to take 1 and minus 1. If I assume 1 for x, then 3 into 1, 3. 3 minus 5, minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 2, minus 1. Then if I assume minus 1, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Minus 3 minus 5, you will get minus 8. Minus 8 by 2, minus 4. Then come for the second equation. 6x is equals to 4y plus 10. First, move the plus 10. If plus 10 go to the left hand side becomes as minus 10. Then the multiples of 4 go to the left hand side becomes as divide. Therefore y is equals to 6x minus 10 by 4. Now I am going to substitute value for x. I am going to take x value is 1 and minus 1. If I substitute 1 means 6 into 1, 6. 6 minus 10, I will get minus 4. Minus 4 by 4, minus 1. Then if I substitute minus 1, 6 into minus 1, minus 6. Minus 6 minus 10, minus 16. Minus 16 by 4, minus 4. Here both the equation I am getting order pair is 1, minus 1 and minus 1, minus 4. let me plot the points in graph. Our first equation point is 1 comma minus 1. We need to see 1 in x-axis minus 1 in y-axis. The intersecting point is 1 comma minus 1. Then second point minus 1 comma minus 4. We need to see minus 1 in x-axis, minus 4 in y-axis. Now we plotted, join the points. This is the first equation. For the second equation also lies on the same point. Therefore, it is a infinite mini solution. It has more solution. Next example for parallel lines. 2x plus 3y is equals to 6 and 4x plus 6y is equals to 24. First equation, 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. Here 2x move to right hand side, then it becomes as minus 3y is equals to 6 minus 2x. Then multiple of 3 go to the right hand side, becomes as divide. Then y is equals to 6 minus 2x by 3. Now I am going to assume some values for x. I am going to take the values 0, 3 and minus 3. If I substitute 0 for x, I will get 6 by 3, 2. If I substitute 3, 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 6, 0, 0 by anything, 0. If I substitute minus 3, minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, 12, 12 by 3, 4. Then come for the second equation. 4x plus 6y is equals to 24. I am moving 4x to right hand side. Then 6y is equals to 24 minus 4x. Then multiple of 6 go to right hand side, become as divide. Then y is equals to 24 minus 4x by 6. Now assume some values for x. I am going to take 0, 3, 6. If I substitute 0, 24 by 6 is equals to 4. If I substitute 3 for x, minus 4 into 3 minus 12, 24 minus 12, 12, 12 by 6, 2. If I substitute 6, minus 4 into 6, minus 24, 24 minus 24, 0, 0 by anything, 0. Now let me plot the values, the x-axis and y-axis. Our first point is 0, 2. 0, 2 lies on y-axis. Then 3, 0, 3, 0 lies on x-axis. Then minus 3, 4. Minus 3 should see in x-axis, 4 should see in y-axis. Then draw a straight line with the ordered pairs. Then come for the second equation. First point 0, 4. 0, 4 lies on y-axis. Then 3, 2. We should see 3 in x-axis, 2 in y-axis. Intersecting point is 3, 2. Then third one 6, 0. 6, 0 lies on x-axis. Then join the points. Here both the lines never intersects. What is the solution? It has no solution. Just go through the 3 situations of pair of linear pairs. Thank you.